All right, we're going to start creating our puzzle cube today. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with creating a box. Box is going to be 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters. So we'll change the height of it, change the length and the width of it. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to follow along exactly what I'm doing here because it's going to make your life so much easier. So we're going to move this cube, and I've got this cube right here, so my 10 by 10 cube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the cube, click on copy and duplicate. Make sure you do this exactly as I do. So click the cube, copy and duplicate, hold down the shift key, left click, not on one of the white boxes, but kind of up in the corner of your model, and we're going to drag it to the right. What that's going to do when we hold down the shift key is it makes sure that we stay in line horizontally, so we're not going to move horizontally. Now, before you do anything else, hit the copy and duplicate, and it'll add that third block for you. So we've got 3 blocks, which is exactly what we want. So now what we're going to do, we've got a block of 3 across. We're going to rotate our model around. We're going to select all 3 of them again, hit the copy and duplicate. This time we're not going to hold the shift key down. We're just going to click on the top square, kind of off in the corner, hold the left mouse button down, drag it to the right, and on this one what we have to do is have to look at, we're going 10 millimeters, but you see that where I've got that 2 that shows I'm off my horizontal, so I want to make sure it's 0 and 10. So it goes right next to it. Hit the duplicate button again, and I have a block of 6 cubes, or 3 by 3, which is exactly what you want to have. Your model needs to be 30 by 30, so what we're going to do is, here's your base block of 3 by 3. We're going to make 2 more. So now what we're going to do is we're going to select all of your bottom row, hit the duplicate and repeat. Now this time we're going to change our leveling just a little bit, and we're going to hit that black Christmas tree, which is our elevation, and we're going to raise it 10 millimeters off the top. 8, 9, 10. So it's sitting right on top of it. And we're going to hit the duplicate and repeat again, and there is your 10 by 10 cube. Okay, so this is the first part. So now what we can do is, if we would like to, we can move this whole thing, center it kind of in our model here. And that is going to be the start of your puzzle cube. Do not put these in order or group them together just yet. We're going to talk about them here in a second, what the next step is. But that's part 1 of your puzzle cube.